Hello! We're spending the day with the three bears today. Let's have some fun. Let's make sandcastles at the beach.
Scoop the sand. Tip the bucket. Oh, that's not a sandcastle.
Oh no!
Let's stop and think this through.
I'm Scoop Sand.
And I'm Tip Bucket.
I wonder where we can find them. Let's go and find the beach crew. They'll be able to help us.
Oops! This is the wrong do block. Let's look for more. Well done! That's great!
Great job! Well done! Woohoo! Now we have the beach crew, let's try this again. Click or tap on me, go, to play the sequence. Go!
Scoop Sand. Scoop Sand.
Tip Bucket. Stop.
Go!
Scoop Sand. Scoop Sand. Scoop Sand.
Tip Bucket. Stop.
Woohoo! Great thinking! With the help of Scoop Sand and Tip Bucket, you broke the problem down, and now the three bears can fill their own buckets with the right number of scoops and build their sandcastles.